Hi everyone, welcome to Medicine Note YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about anticoagulant. The anticoagulants are the drug which prevent blood clotting. Classification, which is anticoagulant in vivo, which is taken inside the body, which are fast acting as well as slow acting. The fast acting are heparin as well as low molecular weight heparin, heparinoids, heparin sulfate, dextran sulfate and lepirudin. The slow acting drugs are oral anticoagulants, which is coumarin derivatives and bis hydroxycoumarin and warfarin. These are the anticoagulants. And the anticoagulants which are used in vitro are heparin, sodium citrate, oxales and sodium ethadate. Now we will see about the heparin, which is an anticoagulant. Heparin was discovered in 1916. It was named heparin since it is extracted from liver, and it is a mucopolysaccharide found in mast cells of the lung, liver and intestinal mucosa. The molecular weight of the heparin is 10,000 to 20,000 and it is strong acid in the body. It is acidic than HCl, which is produced in the stomach. It is the strong acid which is present in the body. Action: a powerful anticoagulant. It acts immediately in vivo as well as in vitro. It acts in both inside the body as well as in outside the body. The mode of action. The mode of action is it releases thromboplastin from the damaged platelets. The thromboplastin, calcium and factor 10A converts prothrombin to thrombin, and the thrombin converts fibrinogen to fibrin and clot formation occurs. It is a general mechanism of the clotting. What do this heparin do is, which is an antithrombin, a substance produced in liver and circulates in the blood. This heparin is produced in the liver as well as it circulates in the blood. The action is it binds to the thrombin and factor 10A and prevent their clotting effect, and this is a normal physiological to prevent intravascular clotting. Here it is a normal mechanism of the clotting, and here it is the heparin mechanism in which it binds to thrombin and factor 10 and prevent their clotting effect, and this is normal physiological to prevent intravascular clotting. The heparin, when it is taken, it speeds up the physiological reaction. This is the physiological reaction. It speeds up the physiological reaction 1,000 times and clotting time is prolonged. So the heparin is antiprothrombin and antithrombin drug. So the heparin is known as antiprothrombin as well as antithrombin drug. Uses of heparin are: heparin is used in unstable angina. This angina might be reduce risk of chance of myocardial infarction. In all major surgeries, these are used. Hemodialysis to prevent the thromboembolism, post-stroke patients, venous thrombosis and pulmonary embolism. Here the heparins are used. Now the preparation. The heparin is prepared from pig and ox. The route of administration is to subcutaneous as well as in intravenous. Maintenance of the dose: 100 units per hour as IV infusion with 5% dextrose on it. Onset of action is immediate. The duration is 2 to 4 hours. Adverse effect: bleeding is most common. Hypersensitivity reaction. Heparin preparation is from ox as well as pig, ox lung and pig intestine, so there might be an hypersensitivity reaction. Osteoporosis and alopecia. When heparin is given is more, it is known as heparin overdose. We should stop the injection of heparin which is given, so we might not get the heparin overdose. After overdose, we should stop the injection. The inject heparin antidote is, after stopping the injection, we should give an antidote which is protamine sulfate, is a strong base which is prepared from the fish and it neutralizes the heparin. The dose 1 mg of protamine sulfate for every 100 unit of heparin IV. This is the dose. Thank you. In next video we will see about the low molecular weight heparin. Thank you. For more videos, please do like, share and subscribe.